Hey guys, my name is Matt and I'm a marketing professor at Douglas College, and in this tutorial I'm just going to give you guys a quick run through of Blackboard. Hopefully just kind of give you an idea of where you're going to go on your first day of class, how you're going to connect, and maybe what that design is going to look like. Basically just giving you that quick one-step guide. So when you're at Douglas College, here's the website overall, and really quickly there's a button here that says Logins. I just want you to click on Logins and click on Blackboard Community. That'll take you to this space where you guys can click in. You might have to do a password and do your access, but that's totally fine. And then you're just going to come to a course, and each course is going to be a little different depending on the instructor that you had and what they're doing. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to click in and you're going to come to this space, and there are a whole bunch of different tabs and areas. Hello! So basically in these areas you've got some stuff. Basically what I'll do is at the beginning of class you're going to click into this area, and it says before class do these three things. Introduction, watch this first. Step 2, build your own persona video, and then there's a media gallery for you to connect with. Step 3, textbook and game details. Now every class is going to be different, but there are these places and spaces that you can kind of click into, and it kind of gives you a specific thing or a specific program. And then kind of under course details, you can email your instructor depending on the situation. You can kind of connect in, you can look at your grades, you can go to some of the different project areas under projects and assignments. You can look at your course outline, for example, and all these things are just hyperlinked and really easy to use. The online learning, basically what's going to happen each week. So say you're in a class and you need to do something. There usually be two different things that take place. We have what's called asynchronous and synchronous learning. So synchronous means it's when you're meeting. Right now watching this video, you're doing an asynchronous thing. So you're not learning from a physical person talking to you, and we have this kind of blended thing that's taking place. So basically with me, you do pre-recorded video lectures, and you guys are going to be doing Zoom class discussions where we'll talk about SWOT analysis and how to connect and what to do when it comes to different types of marketing scenarios, and we'll actually do marketing strategy in real terms and see how it works. And so you just click in one of these spaces and that basically takes you over to Zoom. Now the other side of things is there's a group details areas, and this is where you can kind of click in and meet with different your different group mates and share files and do different things. It's all interconnected in the system. And then basically down at the bottom there is this area that just has weeks in it. So if you click into a week, for example, you're going to see details for the week, you might see some lectures, and you watch these things. And then there might be a quiz, and basically so you click into a quiz. If it does show up on that week, your instructor will give you ideas and details, but the tests and everything are all contained in Blackboard unless there's something different. But Blackboard's really easy and simple to use depending on how it's designed and who is using it. You're probably worried about the winter semester and wondering what's going to happen. And basically all classes are going to start January 4th. So in that week on January 4th, if you have a class on Monday, you've got a class on Monday, January 4th. If you have a class on Tuesday, then it's January 5th. And classes are usually broken out into two different ways. You have a Monday and Wednesday class or a Tuesday, Thursday class, and the hours are really going to differ depending on things. Sometimes you just have a class on a single day and it'll just say Wednesday, and your classes will kind of meet each week. But basically just refer back to douglascollege.ca and just search just to ask your questions, and the website provides you with a lot of detail. Again, all the supports are there. The last thing and the most important thing is to say welcome, and welcome to these marketing classes. I really hope you guys enjoy yourself this semester and that you engage in all the questions and you spend the time to actually really learn, because it can actually be really, really cool. It doesn't have to be that challenging or that difficult.